The most prevalent thing I've seen with the changing needs of our customers is that they're now looking for a lot of machinery that's fully automated, and more customers are now focused on automation.
So we're actually actively recruiting talent with specialised expertise in Industry 4.0, in sheet metal industry, in CNC machinery and technology, 3D and additive manufacturing. We're also working closely with our partners. They are very large and reputable companies, leaders in their industry, to literally bring their innovations out of the laboratories and into the workplace, making them available to Australian and New Zealand manufacturers.
When I go around to all the exhibitions overseas, I see a lot of our suppliers have embraced Industry 4, connectivity, dashboards, linking into, say, their ERP systems. And I think that technology in that space is what we're going to try and help our customers with in the future.
I actually think it's a really exciting time for the manufacturing industry. It's exciting. We're dramatically looking at growing our business in a lot of different areas. I think Australia in particular can actually compete extremely well globally, and we're seeing a lot of very good little businesses start up and being competitive instantly overseas.
We find that only having the latest and the best technology can we make an impact into the market and help our customers grow and prosper.
The main reason why we started with drums and various other products was to automate or to improve the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process at the time was very basic, all manually operated. And with moving into drums, and Leifeld in particular, it automated the processes.
Headland is really embracing the idea of innovation and technology for our customers. We're seeing many of our suppliers build in technology, smart sensors into their machinery. What we're doing is being that middle person in helping our customers link the technology to the IT systems. This enables our customers to get real-time analytics reporting, process improvement across their business and through their value chain, from the customer value chain all the way through to the supplier network. Headland Machinery is actually in a transformation phase. We're really looking at all the elements of our structure of our business, from the staff that we hire, the supporting processes, through to the systems and the management team that we have in play.